Titanic, a luxury British passenger liner, embarked on its maiden voyage on April 10, 1912, from Southampton, England, bound for New York City. It was hailed as the largest and most luxurious ship of its time, measuring 882 feet long and boasting advanced technology, including watertight compartments that made it, in the eyes of many, unsinkable. On board were a mix of wealthy passengers in first class, middle-class passengers in second class, and working-class immigrants in third class, all dreaming of starting a new life in America. The ship carried over 2,200 people, including prominent figures like millionaire John Jacob Astor and famous fashion designer Lady Duff Gordon. The first few days of the journey were smooth. The ship cruised across the Atlantic, with passengers enjoying lavish meals, strolling along the decks, and marveling at the grandeur of the ship. But below the surface, danger loomed. The Titanic received multiple warnings about icebergs drifting into its path, but these warnings were not taken with the seriousness they required. On the night of April 14, 1912, the ship sailed under calm, clear skies. At 11:40 p.m., the lookout suddenly spotted a massive iceberg directly ahead.
Iceberg! Dead ahead!
Despite quick efforts to turn the ship and reverse the engines, the Titanic sideswiped the iceberg. At first, many passengers were unaware of the gravity of the situation. The ship's design was thought to prevent such a catastrophe. However, as water flooded the compartments, the crew quickly realized that the ship was doomed. Lifeboats were prepared, but there were far too few for the number of passengers. Of the 2,200 people aboard, the ship only had enough lifeboats for about half. Chaos ensued as the Titanic began to tilt forward, sinking into the freezing Atlantic. Women and children were prioritized for lifeboats, but there was no real order in the evacuation. Many lifeboats left half empty. The ship's orchestra continued to play in an attempt to calm passengers amid the rising panic. By 2:20 a.m. on April 15th, just a little over 2 hours after the collision, the Titanic broke apart and plunged into the ocean. Only around 700 people survived, rescued by the RMS Carpathia hours later. Over 1,500 lives were lost, making it one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. The Titanic's tragic fate shocked the world, leading to major reforms in maritime safety, including stricter lifeboat regulations and the establishment of the International Ice Patrol to monitor icebergs. The Titanic remains a symbol of human ambition and the hubris of believing technology could conquer nature, forever etched in history as a tale of both luxury and loss.